Hi guys. Yeah, in my attempt to use structure analysis, now I am looking at Bank Nifty, and from this I can see that Bank Nifty kept on falling continuously here. Okay, Bank Nifty started falling from here. It fell, corrected, then fell, corrected about 38%, and it fell. Actually, the expectation here is it should go down up to here, to this point, but it didn't follow this expectation. It reversed here, and eventually it crossed this zone. So you can see here, eventually it went and it crossed this zone, but it didn't cross this yet. So now, after crossing this, it went went up from here. This is a 38% correction from here, and it fell, and eventually it crossed this this particular high here. Now, this is a expectation failure of fall. Ideally, what should have happened is, first thing, it should have fallen this much to satisfy the ABCD pattern, but it didn't fall. So it fell from here to here this much. If we assume it, after this high, if it falls, it should come up to here, but it didn't do that. Instead, it went up to here, as you can see. When it did that, it crossed this range. So now the expectation has changed. Expectation is positive, that is, the trend is in the positive direction. So if I see where it can go, what could be the target? From here, the low is this, which is about 62% of this move. So of this move, it is 62%. And from this low, it made a high here. Then again, it corrected from this top to here, which is about 62% correction. So I am assuming that this much distance it will go once it opens on Monday. So the target for Bank Nifty, according to the structure analysis, is coming at 19,029, around this range, 19,000 range, you can say. And from there again, it will do some 38% or 62% correction, and it will continue the move. So we will see how it happens, but for now, it looks like it is a bullish movement that will come. Thank you.